So today we are discussing the mitochondrial DNA or mitochondrial genome. So which is a important for respiratory cellular respiration in plants and animals. So the mitochondria is which is self-replicated cell organelles. Also it having a special type of the DNA. So this DNA which has present in linear model, also round shape structures. The DNA which formation is round and double helical model of DNA which is a double helical model of the DNA which are present in the all cell organelles of mitochondria. All cell organelles. So the mitochondria is which can be important cell organelle of respiration system. So this mitochondrial genome is a small circular genome, less than 1,000 copies of cells. 16,569 kilobases structure, 44% of guanine cytosine. H shape, H started guanine. L stands for cytosine. D loops 77 S DNA. So it is also the mitochondria DNA 22 coding or tRNA genes are present. The 13 protein coding agents are present or regions are present. 16 is RNA, 12 is RNA, D loop, cytochrome B, NADH dehydrogenase, NADH dehydrogenase, and cytochrome C oxidase, ATP synthase, cytochrome C oxidase, which are all is also called important of cell organ or coding genes. The mitochondrial genome consists of a circular chromosome 16.5 kilobases in size. Circular means round. All nuclear DNA is linear. Mitochondrial DNA, chloroplast DNA, both are called circular model. In the same way, plasmid DNA also called a circular. So these circular double helical models. So that is located in the mitochondrial matrix. Matrix means matrika. So in the matrix, several number of mitochondrial genomes are floating. So each mitochondrial genome serves a particular function which carries from generation to generation. Also cellular respiration takes place. Most cells contains at least 1,000 mitochondrial DNA molecules distributed among hundreds of undivided mitochondria. Most of the cells in plants and animals lead 1,000 mitochondrial DNAs are present. So all mitochondrial DNAs are, which is also floating in the matrix. It contains 37 genes and encoded 2 types of rRNA and 22 types of tRNA. So the total 37 genes are present. Out of the 37, 2 types rRNA 22, rRNA and tRNAs. So then 37 genes are 2 types of rRNA and 22 types of tRNA. Remaining is called rRNA. This is also the mitochondrial DNA is a small genome double stranded circular DNA molecules applied in nature. Mitochondrial DNA contains 37 genes essential for normal mitochondrial functions. 13 genes are making enzymes involved in oxidative phosphorylation ATP. The ATP synthesis which depends on the mitochondrial DNA. Each mitochondrial DNA which have 37 genes are present. Each genes are located in a specific circular part of DNA. Thus, this process are involved in a use of oxygen and simple sugar to form ATP. So, during the cellular respiration, the mitochondrial genes are active and it can release of ADPs and carbon dioxide release outside. So this is also these are mitochondrial structures. The mitochondrial structure is which is also outer membrane. So then the next one is also called inner membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane, and also then also matrix. So mtDNA, the matrix round column structure, that is also mtDNA or empty genome, which is also important. These mitochondrial genomes are each genes are which release in ATPs. In the animation process, go to mitochondrial structure and each ATP produces of the cell, that is called the ATP is released outside through the matrix. So this is also it is a one type of the animation process. And each mitochondria is the double stranded DNA is a double stranded circular which are inherited from the mother in all multicellular organisms. Through some recent evidence suggested that the rare instance mitochondria may also be inherited by a paternal roots. Paternity means parental. The old mitochondria, the new mitochondria originated by old and the existing mitochondria are originating by pre-existing mitochondria. So this pre-existing mitochondria is originated by the older one. So this is also got. The typically a sperm carries a mitochondria in its tail in the energy sources for the long journey to the eggs. When the sperm attaches to the egg during fertilization, the tail falls off. So during the fertilization, sperm and egg, the sperm contains a mitochondria. It is a tail part, which the sperms are attached to the egg during fertilization. It can help. This is also mitochondrial function. So then the mitochondria is a double stranded, which are so it is also Telugu medium students. So that the sperm thoka mitochondria దాని సుదీర్ఘ ప్రయాణంకు శక్తి ఇవ్వడానికి అనువదిస్తుంది. ఫలీకరణ సమయం రూప గుడ్డు జోడించినప్పుడు తోక వస్తుంది. So this is also important character of a mitochondria. Consequently, the only mitochondria, the new organism, usually gets are from the eggs. Some mother provides eggs. The eggs are fused with sperm to help of mitochondria. So there are about 2 to 10 transcripts of the mtDNA in each mitochondria compared to chromosomes. It is a relatively smaller and contains the genes in a limited number. There are about 2 to 10 transcripts of the mitochondria DNA. Transcripts means anuvadam. The DNA each mitochondria compared to chromosomes, it is a relatively smaller and contains the genes. It is limited. So this is also called the ప్రతి మైటోకాండ్రియా నుండి ఒక 2 నుంచి 22 అనువాద క్రియలు చెప్తాయి. అనేది క్రోమోజోమ్తో పోస్తే ఇది చాలా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, మరి పరిమిత సంఖ్యలో జన్యువులు కలిగి ఉంటుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ Telugu medium students. The size of the mitochondrial genome varies greatly among different organisms, with the largest found among plants, including that of the plant Arabidopsis, which is a genome of 200 kilobases in size and 57 protein encoding genes. So it is the most important. The size of the mitochondria is varies greatly from plant to plant, cell to cell, or organism to organism, with the largest found among the plants, including that is called Arabidopsis plant. That genome structure is 200 kilobases. The total genes are present in the Arabidopsis genome or Arabidopsis plant Mitochondrial genome consists of 57 protein encodes genes, which is the smallest mitochondrial genomes are included the Protista, Plasmodium falciparum, which has a genome of only 6 kilobases and just 2 protein encodes are genomes. Humans and other animals have mitochondrial genome size is 17 kilobases and 13 protein genes are present. The totally biggest size of the mitochondrial genome, smallest size of the mitochondrial genomes are released by scientists. The biggest is Arabidopsis plant. That size of the mitochondrial genome is 200 kilobases, 57 protein codes are present. So in the same way, smallest one, Plasmodium falciparum, only 6 kilobases, 2 protein encodes are present. It is the biggest and smallest, both are different type of organ. So biggest mitochondrial genomes are reported in plants. The smallest mitochondrial genomes are reported in protozoans like Plasmodium falciparum. Only it has a 6 kilobases, 2 proteins are. So the same way, the mitochondrial genome size is 17 kilobases, 13 proteins are present. So this is also just one based on the size, the biggest size of the mitochondrial genome, smallest size of the mitochondrial genome, also got a comparison to human beings. The 3 types of mitochondrial genome structures is described in these slides. So this one is which is important for the. So then the same way, the telomedium at the chinna mitochondrial genome protozoist Plasmodium falciparum కేవలం 6 కిలోబేసెస్ మరి ఉంది 2 ప్రోటీన్ ఎన్కోడింగ్ ఉంటాయి. సో అదే బిగ్గెస్ట్ లోపల రెడాప్సిస్ పరిమాణం 57 ప్రోటీన్ ఎన్కోడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, 200 కిలోబేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. అదే హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ లోపల 17 కిలోబేస్ ఉంటాయి, 13 ప్రోటీన్ జీన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ద ఉమెన్ మైటోకాండ్రియల్ డిఎన్ఏ. ఇట్ ఈస్ యాజ్ 37. The human mitochondrial genes are 17 kilobase and 13 protein genes are present. So in the 13 protein genes, which is a human mitochondrial DNA, showing the location of several mutations, the causes of mitochondrial diseases. The mitochondrial diseases which can exhibit the mutation. Mutation means suddenly double changes in one first generation to next generation. This is the same character. So then the mitochondrial DNA structure, the sperm tail having a mitochondrial. This mitochondrial is which helps to the fusion of the egg to form zygote. The zygote form is formed. So the mitochondria so it is a substitute NADH dehydrogenase in a control regions or ATP synthase. So this are mitochondrial DNA structures are there. So the mitochondrial DNA consists of 5 to 10 rings of DNA. And appears to carry 16,569 base pairs when with 37 genes. So the 13 proteins, 22 tRNAs and 2 rRNAs, which are considered with the production of proteins involved in a respiration process. So this is also out of the 37 genes, 13 are responsible for making enzymes. Out of 37 genes, only 13 are responsible to the enzymes production, making involved in oxidative phosphorylation, a process that uses oxygen and sugar to produce adenosine triphosphate. ATP formation takes place. So the other 14 genes, the total 37 genes, 13 are responsible to the enzymes, adenosine, also oxidative phosphorylations, 13, remaining 14. So other 14 plus 13 means 37 genes. 13 is ATP synthesis. 14 genes are responsible for making molecules called RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. In some metazoans, there are about 100 to 10,000 separate copies of mitochondria are present in each cell. So then the 37 genes, out of the 37, 13 are ATP synthase, 14 are RNA formation. So this is the total 37 genes are present in human beings. Other type, only 17 genes are human beings, which has a, so median students. మైటోకాండ్రియా డిఎన్ఏలో 5 నుంచి 10 రింగ్స్ డిఎన్ఏను కలిగి ఉంటుంది మరియు శ్వాస అంటే రెస్పిరేషన్కిలో పాల్గొన్న ప్రోటీన్లు ఉత్పాదిత సంబంధిత 37 జన్యువులలో 13 ప్రోటీన్స్ ఉంటాయి. 37 జన్యువులో 13 ఆక్సిడేటివ్ ఫాస్ఫోరిలేషన్ ఆక్సిజన్ చక్కని వినియోగించి ఎంజైమ్ తయారు చేస్తాయి. మిగతా 14 జన్యువులు బదిలీ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ మరియు రిప్రోజోమల్ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ రైబోజోమల్ ఆర్ఎన్ఏ పిలిచే అణువును తయారు చేయడానికి బాధ్యత వహిస్తాయి. కొన్ని మెటాజోన్స్ ప్రతి సెల్ లోపల 100 to 10,000 వేరు వేరు కాపీలు ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్స్. సో దెన్ అన్లైక్ nuclear DNA, mitochondria DNA does not get shifted every generation, so it is presumed to change at a slower rate, which is useful for the study of human evolution. The nuclear genome structure, mitochondrial genome structure, both are which can express the evolution of man, evolution of living organisms, which can study in evidence level of genomic structure of nuclear genome and mitochondrial genome. So next, the mitochondrial DNA is also used in a forensic science as a tool for identification of corpses or body parts, and has been implicated in a number of genetic diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and diabetes. Alzheimer's disease and diabetes are identification. The DNA is also used in the forensic science. Forensic science means DNA fingerprinting. It has implicated number of genetic diseases such as Alzheimer's and diabetes disease. Diabetes also. Change in mitochondrial DNA can cause maternal inherited disease, which leads to the faster aging process and genetic disorder. Maternal means parental identifications. So this mitochondrial DNA, which who parents are there, so then man, which characters are man, that can be expected by this type of mitochondrial DNA, so which leads to the faster aging process and genetic disorders. So this is also మైటోకాండ్రియాలో డిఎన్ఏ ఫోరెన్సిక్ సైన్స్ కూడా శవాలను లేదా శరీర భాగాలను గుర్తించడానికి మరియు ఆల్జీమేర్స్ వ్యాధిని మరియు డయాబెటీస్ వంటి అనేక జన్యు వ్యాధులను చిక్కుతుంది. మైటోకాండ్రియా డిఎన్ఏలో మార్పుల వల్లనే సంక్రమిక వ్యాధులు కారణం కావచ్చు. ఇది వేగంగా వృద్ధాప్య ప్రక్రియ మరియు జన్యుపరమైన రుగ్మతకు దారితీస్తాయి. సో అణు డిఎన్ఏ మాదిరిగా కాకుండా మైటోకాండ్రియా డిఎన్ఏ ప్రతి తరానికి అవరోధం కాబట్టి మానవ పరిమాణం అధ్యయనం కోసం ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అంటే ద మ్యాన్ ఈజ్ ద అవుట్ ఆరిజిన్. సో విచ్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఏ మ్యాన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో స్టడీస్ ఇన్ ఏ మైటోకాండ్రియా డిఎన్ఏ. The mitochondrial DNA is which is responsible to the evolutionary studies of animals and plants, also human beings. So this is also one evidence for the studies of mitochondrial evidence. The mitochondria convert the potential energy of food molecules into the ATP by the Krebs cycle, electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation in presence of oxygen. Mitochondria convert potential energy. Potential energy means it is also one type of energy. ATP release of energy. Food molecules into ATP by the Krebs cycle, electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation is presence of oxygen. The energy from food molecules, example glucose, is used to produce NADH and FAD. Nicotine adenine dinucleotide, flavin adenine dinucleotide molecules are which glycolysis and Krebs cycle which can studies. The protein complexes in the inner membrane, NADH dehydrogenase Cytochrome C reductase, cytochrome C oxidase use the released energy to pump proteins RFT against a gradient. The protein, the mitochondria is anotherly glycolysis and Krebs cycle both takes place. It is important in aerobic respiration. The NADH and FADH molecules are it can formation after glucose complete oxidation. So NADH means nicotine adenine dinucleotide, flavin adenine dinucleotide, which is a process. This is also major function. The nuclear DNA versus mitochondrial DNA. What is the difference between the nuclear DNA and the mitochondrial DNA? The nuclear DNA found in a nucleus. In the cell, two sets of 23 chromosomes are present. But mitochondria found in mitochondria of the cell. Each mitochondria may have several copies of the single mitochondrial DNA molecule circular. But nuclear DNA is which is a linear. So then second one, the maternal and paternal kin discriminated between individuals of the same maternal linkages. The maternal only, not paternal. Maternal means mother characters. So cannot be discriminated. This cannot be discriminated between the individuals of the some mutant, some maternal changes. Double helical structure in linear mode. Double helical structure it is also circular. Double helical linear, bounded by a nuclear envelope, free of a nuclear envelope. DNA packed into the chromatin. DNA is not packed into the chromatin. The nuclear DNA, which is also DNA, is packed in the chromatin, but mitochondria is DNA is not packed. So this is also nuclear DNA. The nuclear DNA versus mitochondria. The nuclear DNA is undergoes homologous recombinations. So maternal and paternal DNAs are mixed nuclear, but mitochondrial DNA does not undergo recombination. Not undergoes recombination. So paternal chromosome, maternal chromosomes. So this is also circular mitochondrial DNA chromosomes, which is also paternal and maternal. To the conversion takes place, it is also mixed of DNA characters are expressing. So this one is a nuclear mitochondrial DNA structure. The nuclears are inside. So 23 pairs of the linear chromosomes are present. Each chromosome contains a gene, that is nuclear genes. But here, two copies of the cell inherited from the both parents, unique to individual. The mitochondria is a less than 1,000 copies of a single cells, maternally inherited, not unique to individuals. Not unique to individuals. So this is also one nuclear and mitochondrial DNA differentiations. So whether nuclear DNA, RNA, so RNA or mitochondrial DNA, so this RNA or cytoexamine do so precure proteins, nuclear mitochondrial protein synthesis, specific so backlogs along with the pathway. So this two is also same type of the function. Protein synthesis are takes place. Also nuclear genome and mitochondrial genome both same type of the genome characters or same type of the arrangement. The size of the plant mitochondrial genomes are in a different. Brassica irritus 208 kilobases. Brassica campestris 218. Brassica wallacea 219 kilobases. Brassica napus 221, Brassica nigra 231, Raphanus sativum 242, Elianthus annuus 300, Spanices oleracea 327, so Triticum aestivum 440, Gia maize 570, Cucumissimelo 2500 kilobases. The size of the plant mitochondria difference in different type of the plants like a cruciferaceae, poaceae and other type of the cucurbitaceae family members are may be observed. So highest number of highest size of the mitochondria is reported or recorded in Cucumis melo 2500 kilobases in the size of a mitochondria. So this mitochondria is a which one ఏటీపీ క్రిబ్ సైకిల్ యొక్క ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రవాణాలో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనేది. సో ఇది ఎన్ఏడిహెచ్ ఆర్ ఎఫ్ఏడిహెచ్ను చేస్తుంది అనేది మనం చేస్తున్నాం. సో దిస్ హైజ్ ఏ తెలుగు మీడియం. ద మైటోకాండ్రియా విచ్ హైజ్ ఏ ఆర్ ఆర్గనెల్స్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ ఏ మోస్ట్ యూకారియోటిక్ and organisms. The site of a Krebs cycle and electron transport energy produced process during the aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration లో site మైటోకాండ్రియా రెస్పిరేషన్ పాల్గొంటుంది. గ్లైకాసిస్ అండ్ క్రిబ్ సైకిల్ both are inherited only from the mother during the sexual reproduction in mammals and probably all other vertebrates. So because of their mode of inheritance, genetic material found in a mitochondria appears to be useful in determining the maternal linkage or lineage organisms. So this is also one characters of structure. మైటోకాండ్రియా అనేది యూకారియోటిక్ జీవులో కనిపించి ఏరోబిక్ శ్వాసక్రియలో పాల్గొంటుంది. దాని యొక్క వారసత్వ లక్షణాల వలన మైటోకాండ్రియాలో కనిపించే జన్యు పదార్థాలు జీవుల యొక్క మాతృ వంశవృక్షాన్ని సూచిస్తాయి అనేది మనం తెలుసుకున్నాం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ద ఎక్స్ట్రా న్యూక్లియర్ డిఎన్ఏ అనేది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ద recombination known as mitochondria, the extranuclear DNA also called what is the specific characters of a mitochondrial DNA means it is a recombination only known between some mitochondrial and chloroplast DNAs. Extranuclear DNA may also be called cytoplasmic DNA. Extra cytoplasmic DNA is also present in extra. Generally, mitochondrial DNA, chloroplast DNA is circular and contains a genes for a multimeric proteins. Some proteins are which are also coded for the nucleus. The extranuclear DNA has a rate of mutations that is independent of a nucleus DNA. Generally, but not always, all the RNAs are needed for transcription and translation are found in a mitochondrial DNA and chloroplast DNA, but only some of the protein genes are present. So this is also mitochondrial DNA damage and diseases are present. So which affect of the mitochondrial DNA, few causes of disease: diabetes, cancer, neurogenitis, and also called heart diseases and aging related disorders, which is the mitochondrial DNA damages. And so part of mitochondrial DNA damages which can cause several type of diabetes. It is also one important part of DNA is diabetes and also cancer and heart diseases and also neurodegeneration diseases, strokes. So and aging related. So this all is with can be studies in the effect of the DNA damage in mitochondrial DNA. So the mitochondrial DNA size which are different in mammalians, yeast, trypanosomes and plants. The size is also cut the size which can be 14 kilobases, so 25 kilobases and also called 20 kilobases. The organization, the polymerization, the proteinization, replication and reference. This all is also described in a one above the other in a chart-wise differentiation between the mammalians and yeast and so trypanosomes and plants. This is also most. So in animal mitochondria DNA recombination process, the size of the male and female gamete like egg and sperm after fusion to formation of a recombination to formation zygote. That is also figure showing the animal mitochondrial DNA recombination process. So it is also called so other functions: hypodaxis, fast proliferation cells, cancers, and also apoptosis, calcium dyseris, so MT, ATP production, and also the increase the mitochondrial replication and imbalance of ROS homeostasis. The nuclear fosters example by the environmental and hereditary factors, which affect of the environmental hereditary factors. The mitochondria are it can be changed to causes of the several diseases which infection takes place. So this is also the mitochondria అనేది మన క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్ మైటోకాండ్రియా యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అని ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసాను. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ సో మెయిన్ మైటోకాండ్రియా genome. The main mitochondria genome is also 17 genes are present, so which is also the mitochondrial map. So it have a several type of the say inert and intake genes and also ribosomal genes, which helps to the respiration and also mutations. Then it can affect of mitochondrial DNA in human beings to causes of the diabetes and sugar diseases and so brain strokes. It is very major important for the animal mitochondrial DNA replication takes place. The first and the second, the two stages are there: rolling circular to 2 DNA formation. Second one is stand coupled to 2 DNA formation. The first one is a rolling two. So this roll is also one tube-like structure. The tube is also it is can be rounded. The two tubes are formation, two round structures. So between the two rounds, a tube like is a breakdown. The 2 DNAs are separation. That is also rolling. The second one is also stand couples. First round shape structure. That each round is also one half round formation. Then half round is also full round. And the two circular DNAs are one above the other after replication. So after some time, so this one above the other two round circular DNAs are liberated. They are liberated to separate two DNAs, two round shape structure DNAs are formation. This is a mitochondrial function is a whole glycasis pyruvic acids. Glycacid of pyruvate form ಇದೆ. The pyruvate so which enter into the acetyl coenzyme A and oxidation reaction takes place to release of ATP. So TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle, also got a citric acid cycle. So the citric acid cycle is also break down to the acetyl coenzyme A and also electron transport system to release of a one glucose molecules are to release of 30 ATPs in the human beings of cellular respiration process. So this is important of mitochondrial functions. So this one empty DNA, which is the DNA generally sells 16 kilobases, and other organisms are then the others are manipulated larger. The plant mitochondrial DNA is also called a highly variable, so it is also studies in Arabidopsis. It is Arabidopsis, the biggest size of the DNA, and Plasmodium falciparum is the smallest size of the DNA. You know that this one is also it is also repetition takes place once again. So it is a normal type of mitochondrial DNA, also called deletions of mitochondrial DNA. So the normal, the total round shaped nuclear genome and surrounding to the mitochondrial genomes, which is a totally also the structure of the DNA are present. Mitochondrial DNA mutation after electro and transcriptional terminations. So this is also transcriptional terminations in a nuclear genome, the nuclear genomes. But here mitochondrial genomes in a round shape, which is circular and which also infected to the mutation takes place. So this is also total character features of the mitochondrial genomes infection to the damage of mitochondria in human beings or other plants. So this is also complete of the my topic. So this major important for the DNA or mitochondrial DNA which present in the matrix. So each matrix contain a 100 number and one cell consists of 100 DNA molecules, circular double helical models. So each DNA structure is a difference in one organism to other organisms. The plants Arabidopsis, which is the biggest size of the mitochondria DNA, and animals Plasmodium falciparum, that is the smallest size of DNA. So this sometimes mitochondrial DNAs are damaged, which infection to causes to the diabetes, cancer, and nervous diseases. So also strokes, so which affects to the man growth and development of the organisms. So the mitochondrial DNA, which is also performing the respiration process, the glycolysis and Krebs cycle both. The glycolic acid of pyruvate formation. So this pyruvate is converted into the acetyl coenzyme citric acid, isocytric acid, cis-isonic acid, alpha-ketoglutic acid, malic acid, fumaric acid. Lastly, so then oxaloacetic acid formation. In the Krebs cycle. So after Krebs cycles, it transfers into the electron transport system. One glucose molecules are completely oxidized into the 38 ATPs formation in the matrix. So this ATPs are formation depends on the mitochondrial genome. That is important. The mitochondrial genome is which major important. The chlorophyll DNA, mitochondrial DNA, nuclear DNA. The three type of the DNA. The nuclear DNA is a major. The chlorophyll DNA, mitochondrial DNA is a minor. It is a self-replicated organelles. So, but the total autotrophic organelles is called nuclear genomes. So this is the structurally the mitochondrial genome which expressing to the changes of inheritance characters from generation to generation, but the parental to the daughter generation is also changes. So this is my important conclusion type of the lesson. So it is the major interesting topic of mitochondrial DNA, that is important topic for the biotechnology or BSc final year students which in the 6th sem. Okay, thank you very much.